Hello there, Coach Erica here of Hoop to the Rhythm. And in this video, we're going to talk about 3 core hooping moves to help strengthen your abs. So one of the main missions of Hoop to the Rhythm is to introduce hooping to others for overall wellness. So full disclosure here, I had a baby some years ago who was 9 pounds, and I've been doing hooping for 10 years. So I'm really just trying to get my abs back to almost where they were. I don't know if they'll ever get completely where they were, but these are some moves that I know are solid for helping you get your core back to, a strengthened place. Okay. So one of the first moves is front stance waist hooping. And this involves shifting your weight forward and back, core stabilized, almost like somebody you're bracing for someone to hit you in your stomach, right? And you're just bracing, for that. And then as you're doing that, you're going back and forth, okay? And when you introduce the hoop, you are going to go a little faster. As the hoop touches each part of your body, you're going to have to push, 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 okay? So as you're engaging your abs and you're shifting your weight, you will feel your core working, firing, okay? So second move is the side stance waist hooping. And you're still engaging your core, right? This is all your core, right? And you're shifting your weight from side to side, okay? You see how, and you're still engaging your core, but you're shifting your weight from side to side as opposed to forward and back. But this is a good drill here. Side to side, right here, side to side, forward and back, okay? So that's number 2. This is side stance. This was forward stance or front stance, okay? Now, this is more advanced, so I would like everyone, if you're a total beginner, to just do the forward and the side to begin with. The challenging one is I like to call it centric. You're just in the center of the hoop, legs together, and you are engaging your core, and you're almost still pushing forward and back, but you can make a little oval or small circle with your core. But this one is one that you really need to take your time with. It is challenging, and make sure you warm up before you do that one, okay? But I'm going to put some music on because my teaching style is I like to immerse you in the hooping experience. Tutorials are great, but I like to kind of do some things with you in these videos so that you kind of have a great idea of what to expect. But get yourself a big old hoop and let's go. Okay, all right. I'm going to start with the front stance hooping. Arms are going to be kept moving in some fashion. Closing off your top half, we want to try to do more of movement instead of tightening your upper body. Keep that loose. Side. Quick tip is kind of move your arms from side to side to reinforce what you need to do in your mind. Forward and back. You got it. So I'm just doing this with you. You can do this video over and over. Put your favorite music on. Turn mine off. It's going to make me sad, but that's okay. I want you to have the best experience possible. So just get some time in This is how you get good. You practice. You don't get good by saying you can't do it. Sorry. So we're just going back and forth between the forward, front stance hooping and side stance hooping. It's a good drill. You can switch legs if you'd like, depending on your comfort level. Switch legs. But yeah, you can switch the movement in your arms. Get creative. It's really all about you, not me right now. Okay? Getting you into this world of hooping. Forward stance. There we are. See? Side. You can really work up a sweat. It's been a long time coming for me. And this is one of my favorite things to do. And I had taken a break from it. So this is I don't like to say comeback, but I'm getting back into the groove of things. So be sure to subscribe to this channel. Check out the things that are offered with Hoop to the Rhythm. It's my pleasure to serve you all. It really is. This is something that I absolutely love. Side. Almost there. Just like to give you this video here to go along with, just get it used to doing these core basic movements. All right. Stop the hoop, hand, shift to the side. That's how you break the hoop and stop it. All right. So those are the 3 core moves. We really did the 2 because I wanted to show you 3. But again, the third one is that centric stance waist hooping, which you can do on your own. Not a problem. I just didn't want to do too much of that for a beginner, but it is an ultimate core move that I will be doing more in my workouts personally, okay, because it's helped me so much in the past. And I'm on my second weight loss journey, okay? So I've got things to do and I am knowledgeable. So I thought, why do this in silence? I'm going to do this with you here on YouTube. Amen. So if you would like to learn more about waist hooping, getting into hoop fitness, I am going to leave some descriptions and a link to my bundles. So I have a core hooping bundle and a workout bundle that would be great for anyone that wants to start hooping for fitness or fun, you name it, okay? So be sure to check out those bundles. And again, I'm going to leave those in comment or description, okay? Thank you so very much. Have a blessed day. It's a pleasure to serve you. Let me know if you have any questions.